In this video, we will learn how to create sections using the Section Plane tool. As its name indicates, you can create a section object that acts as a cutting plane through 3D objects and point clouds. You can create sections to analyze and present your model, or you can present certain details that were not visible in the first place. The Section Plane command can be found in the Section panel of the Home ribbon. Alternatively, you can type Section Plane in the command line and press Enter to activate the tool. Once the tool is active, I have to select a surface or to specify a point to locate the section line. In the first example, I will click to specify the first point, move the cursor in the desired direction, and then click again to specify the second point. As soon as I defined the second point, the section was created and the object was cut. The cut area is represented by a lighter gray color. If you want to restore the object to its original form without deleting the section plane, all you have to do is select it and disable the Live Section option that can be found in the Section Plane panel of the contextual ribbon. Another way to disable the section is to double-click on it. At this point, I should mention that you can move the section plane if you select it, click on the X, Y, or Z axis, and move it along one of those. Now I will delete this section and proceed to activate the tool again to show you some helpful options that appear on the command line. The Draw Section option allows you to draw a section plane by defining multiple points. Once I select it, a message prompts me to specify the starting point. After I defined the first point, another message prompted me to specify the next point. I will specify the next point, and as you can see, I can continue specifying points. When I finish drawing the section plane, I will press Enter. However, the section has not been created yet. In the next step, I have to specify a point in the direction of section view, which means that I need to define which side of the object will remain intact. Once I click on the desired side, the tool deactivates and the section is created. At this point, I will delete the section I created and activate the Section Plane tool again to show you the next option, which is the orthographic. Shortly after I select it, a message prompts me to align the section to one of the following orthographic views: front, back, top, bottom, left, or right. In this example, I will select the front view. As soon as I selected the view, the section was created and the tool deactivated automatically. I want you to notice that the section plane is indeed aligned with the front UCS orientation and cuts the object through its center. I will press the Undo button to show you the rest of the options. The back option creates the exact opposite of the front option. I will undo again and select the top option. Notice the result. Then I will undo and select the bottom option. The result is the opposite of the top option. Next, I will select the left option. And lastly, I will select the right option, which is the opposite of the left option. At this point, I will show you the different types of sections that you can create. When you activate the Section Plane tool, apart from the Draw Section and the orthographic options, there is also a third option, which is the Type option. If you select this option, 4 types appear: plane, slice, boundary, and volume. Once you choose a type, the command reverts to the first prompt with the selected type set as the default. For now, I will accept the default option, which is the plane option, by pressing Enter. As we saw in the previous examples, plane allows you to specify a planar segment of a 3D solid. So I will select the Draw Section option, click to define the points of the section line, and press Enter. Finally, I will click on the side I want to keep, and the section is created. Now, if I select the section I created and click on the arrow that appears, I can change the type of the section. The Slice option allows you to select a planar segment with the depth of a 3D solid. You can click on the arrows at the base to increase the width of the slice section to show more of the object. Next, I will select the boundary type, which allows you to select the boundary of a 3D solid and place the section plane. Last but not least, I will select the volume option, which as you can see allows you to create a bounded volume section plane.